How to delete keyboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can view all your keyboards over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. And then, hold and swipe left on the keyboard that you want to delete. Then, tap on Delete. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily delete keyboard on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.